Well, we have one obscure Berceuse, one Irish folk tune, and one riff to rule them all. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Please subscribe as this will really help me out, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Well, Chopin is known for his expressive piano playing and many works including mazurkas, polonaises, preludes, nocturnes, waltzes, but one of his more obscure pieces that isn't so well known is his Berceuse. This means a lullaby and is actually in 6/8, which is 6 little beats, giving a real lilt that keeps rolling along. So let's start down here on D flat. And to get the rhythm, let's do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our 6 little counts if you join me on that. So we've got D flat, A flat, D flat again, back to the A flat. And then over the top he puts all of this beautiful, quite outstanding filigree that starts very simply but then grows and grows and gets more and more embellished as it goes, basically. Don't be scared though of the demonstration at the start, because we are just going to stick with that left hand today. So let's do that rhythm again. We can play through all of Be Thou My Vision over the top while we keep that left hand going. And then just keep it going. So no matter what's happening in your right hand, keep that left hand still going along. Let's go to the written left hand that created for this Berceuse. We're going to float all the way up to this D flat F, C, G flat, back to the A flat. So we've got an A flat 7 chord there. Then we're going to play it nice and slowly as we go through. This time we're going to stay just on the same notes going up. We're going to go back down again. Now watch as you're playing here. When we've got a 2-note chord of these two, we don't want to let them split. We want them to come down right together. If they are splitting, then experiment with the angle of your hand. Tip a bit more this way. It might help them to come right together there. Then we return to the first pattern of the A flat 7, and then same again. Now we're going to change to the B flat, D flat, G flat again. Stay on the D flat for that one. Then for the ending we're going to do an extra G flat, D flat, D flat, F, back to the A flat. Let's go over that second bit. Let's go from the G flat pattern again. Stay on the D flat and the G flat and our little riff in between. So Be Thou My Vision was translated from an Irish poem into English and commonly sung from about 1919 to an Irish folk tune. Thank you, Mr. Wikipedia. So for our third verse, let's float back down to the low D flat, and then let's add a few chords under our right hand melody as well. We'll keep the left hand fairly simple with fifths and octaves, and maybe T, T, Ta, Ta, something like that. Now, G flat, A flat, B flat minor, G flat, enjoy one of those versions and have fun making up your own too, holding just your bass D flats and playing with those fifths down there, or opening up to the octaves, or playing around with the ground bass that came from the Berceuse. Enjoy! Happy music making. Ta-da!